Hello, welcome to my video with me, Niputumirna Kristana Devi. In this video, we are going to talk about education in Indonesia. Education in Indonesia, according law number 20 of 2003, education in Indonesia is defined as the conscious and planned effort to create an atmosphere of learning and the learning process so the students actively develop their potential to have religious spiritual strength, self-control, personality, intelligence, noble character, and the skill they need, society, nation, and state. System education in Indonesia. System education in Indonesia is the national education system. The national education system aims to educate and provide academic knowledge, skill, and behavior. Previously, compulsory education for Indonesia was set for 9 years. It is concurring for 6 years for primary education, 3 years for junior secondary education. However, it has now been increased to 12 years, which includes 3 years for senior secondary education. Curriculum 2013. In this curriculum period, several subjects were strengthened and developed. The first one, streamlined subjects. There is social knowledge, there is Indonesian language, and there is citizenship. For development subject is their math. So then how is the quality of Indonesian education? According law number 20 of 2003 article 2, national education functions to develop capabilities and shape the character and civilization of a nation with a dignity in order to educate the nation's lives, aims to development and the potential of the student to become human beings who believe the fear God Almighty, have a noble character, healthy, knowledgeable, capable, creative, independent, and become democratic and responsible citizens. The quality of education in Indonesia is currently very concerning. Why? Because the data show that Indonesian Human Development Index is decreasing. Political and Economic Risk Consultant PERC show the data ranks 12 out of 12 countries in Asia. Data reported by the World Economic Forum Sweden 2000. 37 out of 15 countries surveyed in the world. From this data, it can be said that the level of education in Indonesia is still under threat. Then, what the causes the decline in the quality of education in Indonesia? The first one, low physical facilities or supporting facilities. The solution, the first one, increase the education budget. Second one, overseeing the use of education budget funds. Second one is low quality teachers. The solution for this case, the first one, provide education and training facilities. Second one, provide intensive. Third one, training on the use of IT. Third problems is low student achievement. The solution for this case is the first one, student center. Second one, tighten supervision. Third one, create fun learning. And last one, cooperation between a teacher and parents. The next problems is low education equitable opportunities. For this case, the solution is the first one. It takes a policy and a strategy. Second one, free schooling. Third one, emphasizing of the importance of school. The next problem is the high cost of education. The solution for this case is the first one, provide scholarship. Second one, free schooling. So, what the fake education in Indonesia? The first one, the position is 69th in Education Development Index. Second one, the happiest student in the world. Third one is most subjects are insect science. Fourth, children under 7 years can go to school. 5. Many children don't continue their studies because of the economy. 6. Some teachers are not qualified enough. 7. Only 7.2% continued their studies to tertiary institution. 8. High level of student cheating. 9 is national examination using computer-based tests. And the last one is curriculum 2013, which is still being revised. So guys, I think that's all for my explanation education in Indonesia.